This video will help you use buyultraviolet.com, where you can learn about and purchase germicidal ultraviolet equipment and lamps from Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. If you have not already done so, navigate to buyultraviolet.com in the top address bar of your browser. There are several ways to search for a specific product. One way is to use the gray search box to find any replacement part by its part type, equipment brand, or model number. Keep in mind that none of these fields are required, so you can just fill in the information you have and leave the other boxes untouched. If you want to start your search over, click the clear button. When you have selected the correct categories from any drop-down menus, or typed in the search box, click Submit. If using the search bar on the top right, it works in a similar way. There are many types of product you can type in, or a product name or model number. For example, let's type in G36. You can see that there are many types of product that show up. You can sort the product type you want using the checkboxes in the sidebar. For instance, if you're looking for a maintenance kit, you can click that and narrow down your results. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see the same search box from the home page. You can also use this to narrow down or alter your results. G36 is still typed in, which I'll leave there, but now I'll select Ballast from the Part Type drop-down and change my search. Above the search bar, you can click Contact Us, Log In, Account, Track Order, or View Your Cart. Our navigation bar features 6 categories you can use to find our products. While on the home page, you can also find UV water, UV air and surface, UV lamps, and parts and accessories by scrolling down and clicking the images below. Click Products to navigate to any product line alphabetically. While on the home page, you can also scroll down and click one of our product lines in the Ultraviolet Product Directory section. When clicking into a specific product line from the product screen, you will see a screen like this. Many product lines will show several categories of the particular product here. For instance, since I clicked on Aerologic, I now see 4 subcategories: the 1-lamp Aero models, 2-lamp AD models, 2-lamp ADHO high output models, and 4-lamp high output models. Scrolling down to the footer area, you will find links to many different sections of buyultraviolet.com and ultraviolet.com. The orange bar in the bottom right corner of any page will bring up a live chat window where you can chat with us if you need assistance. You can also view all our social media pages and click the Join Our Email List button to be directed to our newsletter sign-up form, which is on ultraviolet.com and will open in a new tab.